What you just saw is 5 years of obsession, engineering, and evolution. Meet the Apex, a full carbon fiber electric hydrofoil designed for precision, efficiency, and control without the traditional industry luxury markup. Premium carbon fiber e-foils can cost up to $12,000. We built Apex to deliver that level of performance in a lighter, more efficient, factory direct platform. To build a machine that flies this effortlessly, we had to start from the ground up, and we didn't get here overnight. Lined up right here is our journey. The Alpha 1 prototype, the Alpha 2 refined and race proven, the Escape Gen 3, and finally, the Apex Gen 4. Lower priced alternatives rely on inflatable or flexible construction that sacrifices rigidity, responsiveness, and ride quality. We integrated the electronic speed controller directly into the underwater motor housing, eliminating unnecessary components and complexity. We simplified charging with a sealed charging port, meaning that the battery can remain safely inside the board while connected directly to the charger. Apex is approximately 10% lighter than comparable platforms using a similar battery capacity. Now, normally on Kickstarter, backing a project means waiting months or even years to see a final product. Not with the Apex. We've already finished development, completed our production line, and our first batch of inventory is fully boxed and in stock, sitting in our warehouse right now. We're completely ready to ship the moment that this campaign ends. By backing us today, you aren't funding a gamble. You're backing a highly experienced crowdfunding team with over 35 past projects successfully fulfilled, and you're joining our massive community of backers that has raised over $14.7 million across 54,000 people. Most importantly, you're securing a finished, premium, carbon fiber e-foil at the absolute lowest price it will ever be offered. Help us change the way we experience the water, back this project today, and help us continue to bring the future. Mahalo.